that one single habit which changed my life and my mindset, that is journaling. Journaling is very important in these days. So we, journaling is not only about writing the daily routine, that what you have done today and what you have done morning or what you have done in afternoon. It's about asking yourself to, do you satisfy on this day that you have spent. So by asking yourself that, you have get motivated that you have to work hard than now. So you have to ask yourself daily and write it in a journal. Like, so if you are in the lowest situation now, by reading this lowest situation things in the future, which will help you to get motivated and do hard work rather than now. So you have to make effort. And today I am going to tell you 5 most important and most motivating prompts, which prompts or questions which you can ask yourself while you are in journaling daily. So it's very important, and last one is so important. So be till the end and let's go one by one. First question or first prompt, you have to ask yourself that, can I took any small steps which can help me to reach my goal, and what is that? So you have to understand that taking small steps consistently is the most important things to get succeed in your life. Each day find the things which brought you closer to your goal and which help to achieve your goal. It's not must be a greatest thing, it's a small tiny steps which improve your 1% or 0.1% rather than yesterday. That is satisfying day. So goal is can't be able to achieve directly in the one day. It's a small step, it is a journey. So you have to understand that a small step can able to reach your goal. So what the things that, what the step you have, do you put the step that which will motivate you or which will help you to get that goal, that fixed goal. So ask yourself, but if it's not, then try to make it possible tomorrow. So that's the very important thing. That's not must be a big thing, like the big thing like uploading a video on one day. It's about writing a script which will help you to ability of writing a script. I am telling about my YouTube things, so you have to understand that if you if you put 15 minutes to learn your skill, that is also a step to reach your goal. So it's a thing. And first prompt is this, and keep this in mind and continue. And second prompt is, what was the most important lesson I learned today? So you have to understand that everything has a learning, every mistake has a learning, or every success has a learning. So you have to understand that today I spent a whole day of 24 hours, and what the mistakes I have done and what the things I have succeeded and what the lesson I have learned from that mistake. That is the most important thing. You have to understand what the most important lesson I have learned today that can help me in my future to improve my goal. So not, you have to be a learner everywhere. Everything has to learn. Everywhere we get to learn something new. So you have to ask yourself what the good things I have learned, and if you journal that things which will help you in the future when we in the threats or when we in the depression. So third prompt is, how did I feel gratitude for little things today? The God have given many things to ourselves, and we have to gratitude all the things. So what are the things that I have achieved? What are the things I have grateful for? And what the things I have to grateful or gratitude for them? Like the sun has given me a light which can help me to work, and earth has given water to drink. I am drinking, I am healthy, and I have to gratitude for my parents who have given me a cloth, who have given me a food. So that's the thing. So you have to gratitude for little things which can put you happy than others. So not be able to be stressful for everything. You are living the life of anyone dreaming. So we are getting a food for 3 times, and we are getting clothes, and we have a home which can give shelter that many people don't have that. So you have to be grateful, or you have to be gratitude on the things that you have. So you have to be grateful for everything. And fourth one is, what the thing I not have to do, that we can't be able to do the good things for the whole day. And so we have made something mistakes that will change our mood, or our which will opposite to our goal which we have thought. So you have to be known that what the mistake I have done today that can improve tomorrow. So we have to write small mistakes or small things which you have not to do. For example, you spent 4 hours on scrolling reels, or you spent 2 to 3 hours on playing PUBG, or you spend 1 hour or 2 hours on chatting. So it's all are useless thing. So you have to figure out the things which you have not to do, and you have to improve that mistakes to a positive side, and you have to tell that it is not possible. So I have to improve it, and I have to do that what I have not to do today, which I have wasted time, that tomorrow I will invest on learning new skill, or I learning new stuffs and getting new information which can help me in my future, which can help me in my growth. So this is the important thing. And the last but not the least, which is my favorite one, that is, what step I have to take to improve my mindsets tomorrow. So by understanding today's thing, and by understanding what the thing you have done today, by that you have to understand that what the thing I have done what mistake I have done today that I have not to do tomorrow. And I have learned today, I learned 15 minutes I invested my 15 minutes for learning skill, and tomorrow I will increase that. I will put 30 minutes on my improving skill and on my improving my skills. And today I have recorded one video of 13 minutes, and tomorrow I will increase that for 15 minutes, and I will learn scripting. I will edit, I will script, and I will do the stuff which is improved tomorrow. So you have to improve your works also, and you have to improve your mindset. Mindset is a very important key which help you to grow in your life. So you have to invest your mind on growth of mindset. So that's it. These are the 5 important prompts which I have used in my life and which changed my mindset. And so you have to use these 5 prompts. And if you like this video, then like my video and subscribe for this channel, which will motivate me to make more videos and give more useful content for you. So thank you so much.